The Bilco multiple rack crane loading system for glass retrieval from single or double side racks. The Bilco multiple rack glass storage and loading system automates the handling of large lights of glass from the storage racks to the cutting operation. This system is used for float glass sizes from 72 inches by 84 inches to 132 inches by 204 inches, and thicknesses from single strength to 3/4 inch. This is the safest, most efficient method of handling large sizes of glass. No personnel are required during the operation of the system. Glass is delivered from the float glass producer in open sling packs and offloaded from trucks by a secondary overhead crane not connected to the Bilco crane loading system. Glass packs are stored on steel racks supplied by the customer or provided by Bilco. Mechanical features of the Bilco crane loading system include an overhead or gantry-type crane and carriage supported by powered steel wheels on heavy crane rails. Mounted to the crane carriage are aluminum lifting arms and a V-frame with 2 sets of high-performance vacuum cups. A tilting load conveyor that accepts glass lights from the vacuum cup frame in the vertical position and then tilts to the horizontal position for conveying the glass to the cutting machine. A programmable solid-state control system. The control system is normally operated from data generated by the glass optimization software. However, it also has built-in capability for standalone thumb wheel operation. Utilizing the vacuum V-frame, the Bilco crane loading system has the capability to retrieve glass from single-side or double-side glass racks. This feature permits the user to place more glass storage racks in a given area than with a single-side system. Assuming the cutting line is ready to receive glass, the loading system control receives and instructs the crane which rack location to go to for the first glass light to be cut. The crane will proceed to the designated rack, retrieve the light, and return to the tilt load conveyor. Upon its arrival, the vacuum cups will place the light on the tilt roller conveyor, which is waiting in the raised or vertical position. The system will automatically repeat the cycle for the next light to be cut until all cutting programs have been performed. The tilting load conveyor then tilts to the horizontal position. After receiving an all-clear signal from the cutting machine, the glass light is automatically conveyed to the cutting machine. The design of the Bilco multi-rack loading system is quite versatile. This illustration shows 3 different types of cranes that Bilco can supply, depending upon the building and layout restrictions. The system can be installed to accommodate many different types of buildings and plant layouts and an unlimited number of glass racks. As shown in the top layout, the glass storage and the crane loading system can be located in the same building bay as the cutting line. As an alternative, the system can store and retrieve glass in one bay and feed glass to a cutting line located in an adjacent bay. The Bilco crane loading system provides the means to access a large number of glass racks in a small amount of factory space. The Bilco Space Saver Glass Storage and Rack Indexing System. This heavy-duty Space Saver system provides a method to place glass racks tightly together to gain significant storage in a warehouse. This Space Saver system is primarily designed to be used in connection with a Bilco multiple rack crane loading system. However, it can also be used with a manually operated overhead crane and vacuum glass grab. In the storage position, the glass racks are stacked tightly together. When glass is required from a particular rack, the system separates the required rack from the adjoining rack using a powerful hydraulic mechanism. As its name implies, the primary benefit of this Space Saver system is to reduce the amount of floor space necessary to store a given amount of glass, or to provide the capability to store additional glass without requiring more floor space. This illustration provides a comparison of a standard rack storage layout for a crane loading system with a Space Saver system. In this layout, the Space Saver system shown in the top view provides the capability to store 8 more racks of glass, or a 32% increase in glass storage capability over the conventional layout shown in the bottom view.